Hello guys, today I'm going to play 7 strikes with 1 rand. We have a balance of 90 rand here, so I'm just gonna do for 50 spins, which is gonna be 50 rand. So let's see what will happen if we can get the bonus. Big win, guys. 15 rand. Oh, ding. Yes. Oh, okay, dodge enough. It was supposed to be this side. Hey, now we're going to make something. That is fine. Ding. Iko nice. Future iko happy. Oh, look at those 7s. This 7 after that. Mara kare ila yo send it up by. Yo ba do ba sharp bad. Mara bonus ni ko rengo sui kamani ya. Guys, I played 50 spins. I'm gonna do more 20 for auto. Let me do more 20 spins. Then if this 20 spin don't work, I'm gonna go to another game, guys. I don't know, what do you think? We'll go to our favorite games. Let's hope we're gonna get the bonus now, because we need the bonus here. We need the bonus. Guys, I tried it, still a break even. I will do more 20 spins again. Let's see what will happen with 20 spins. We need a bonus, guys. We are not really losing so far, but we need something so nice. All right. Okay, it's keeping us in the game. Let's hope something good is gonna come. I love this bonus, guys. If we get bonus here, I know this bonus is so nice and paying. So many queues, guys. Imagine if it was those sevens, the red sevens. It was going to be so nice. Guys, again, it's a break even. I'm gonna do the restart. I just did the restart, guys. It's still a break even. Ayabora man hayi. Avene nani kubona ngayo jena phala. Iraro fedza ngo. Yes. Zila C7. Aphe masebeni alani amatsoko nto nonobadela. Guys, I'm gonna do the rematch, guys. I'm doing the rematch. Yes. No. Yes. Ziko vuya ayikho nziwisa hayi nto give up anezithu hayi. Hey. Yebani. I'm give up in. I ain't gonna give up. Z7 is that Samara Zuko connect. Guys, I gave up on this game, but it's a so nice game. I enjoyed playing it. So if you are a new member, kindly subscribe to this channel, guys, and I will catch you up in the next video. It's a good game. I think you must try it. Let me just give it a hint with just 2 rand. I just want to test something with 2 rand until 60, but it's a nice game. I did enjoy it. I did enjoy the game, guys. Okay, so guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. It was so enjoying, that's why I'm loving this game, and thank you guys for watching.